Myself, Dr. Sushma Jain, Associate Professor Chemistry, Government Dungar College, Bikaner. Today, I shall discuss about disconnection approach in 1,5-difunctionalized compound having two functional group, and therefore we can say two group CC disconnection in 1,5-difunctionalized compound. In this compound, the two groups are present at 1 and 5 position to each other, and the disconnection is takes place between the 3 and 4th carbon atom. So for example, here the one functional group is present at C1 carbon atom and another functional group is present at C5 carbon atom. So this compound is called 1,5-difunctionalized compound. In this compound, the bond disconnection can take place at between carbon 3 and carbon 4. So we get two synthons here, and for this synthons the synthetic equivalent is employed for the generation of these synthons. Now by taking the example of the retrosynthetic analysis of the compound, this one here we can explain the 1,5 explain the CC disconnection in 1,5-difunctionalized compound. So here the two functionalized compound is this, and the two functional group C double bond O and here C double bond O is present. So we write here diCO, means two functional group are carbonyl compound and present at position 1 and 5. So we can write here 1,5-diCO. So after disconnection between C3 carbon and C4 carbon atom, we get two synthon here. The one is the negative synthon and another one is the positive synthon, and for the generation of this synthon the hydrogen removed as a proton and gives the electron to this carbon atom. So this negatively charged carbon and this positively charged carbon atom bond a covalent bond. So we get this type of the synthetic equivalent for this synthon, and for the generation of this synthon we employed the compound this type here, the C minus carbon atom. So here we employed the COAT group attached to CH2. So this compound is the synthetic equivalent for the generation of this negative synthon. So by adding these two synthetic equivalent we get our target molecule easily. Now what is the mechanism for getting this target molecule? We start from the synthetic equivalent which are the starting material, and we take here the synthetic equivalent here, and this carbon atom is more acidic because this hydrogen is more acidic because this hydrogen has this carbon has active methylene group CH2 group, and this hydrogen which is attached to this carbon atom located between the two carbonyl compound, one is this one and another is this one. So this hydrogen is the more acidic hydrogen atom, and it can be removed very easily by the reaction of base OET minus. So the hydrogen is removed as a H plus and ETOH liberated here, and this compound becomes an anion. Therefore the C minus, here the C minus is created. Now this compound anion is react with the another synthetic equivalent here, and the electron delocalization is takes place from this carbon atom to this carbon atom of the pi electron bond, and so this carbon becomes positively charged and this carbon becomes negatively charged. The carbon atom which is negatively charged attached to this positively charged carbon atom and form a covalent bond. This can be illustrated by this molecule here, that this carbon and this carbon form a covalent bond prepared by this negatively charged carbon atom and here positively charged carbon atom. So we get this type of the molecule which on hydrolysis by KOH, and then on heating the CO2 is liberated, and finally we get our target molecule here, which is disconnected here. So by the synthesis of uh, by the synthesis of this target molecule, we get easily synthesize this target molecule by from the this synthetic equivalent. Now the second example for the 1,5-difunctionalized compound disconnection, which is the two group CC disconnection, and the disconnection takes place between the carbon atom 3 and carbon atom 4. Here the another C1 carbon atom has one functional group and C5 carbon atom has another functional group. Both are carbonyl, so we write here 1,5-dicarbonyl diCO, and on this connection between C3 and C4 carbon atom we get two synthon here. One is, this is the positive synthon and this one is the negative synthon, and by the removal of hydrogen from this positive synthon, this carbon becomes negatively charged, so this carbon and this carbon form a covalent bond, so we get this type of the synthetic equivalent. And for the generation of this negative synthon we employed this type of the synthetic equivalent. So this synthetic equivalent is used for the generation of this synthon, and this synthetic equivalent is used for the generation of this synthon. Now by starting from the synthetic equivalent we can easily get our target molecule. Now this is the starting material, or we can say the synthetic equivalent get after the disconnection of the target molecule. Now by using this synthetic equivalent, the reaction of this synthetic equivalent with a base, the base removed a proton from here and we get a anion of this compound, and the reaction of this compound with, or we can say anion with the second molecule of synthetic equivalent, and the electron delocalization is takes place from this carbon to this carbon atom. So this carbon atom becomes positively charged and this carbon atom becomes negatively charged. This positively charged carbon atom linked with negatively charged carbon atom of the second molecule, so a covalent bond is prepared between this carbon atom and this carbon atom, and it is illustrated by this covalent bond. So we get another anion and another molecule, and here the negative charge is created at this carbon atom, which is here which is created by the delocalization of the pi electron from this carbon to this carbon atom. So we get this type of the molecule, which on protonation we easily, the proton is add to this negatively charged carbon atom here, and we get easily the another molecule, or we can say the another compound, which on hydrolysis in presence of acid we get our target molecule. Hydrolysis, and then on heating, then on hydrolysis the COET convert into the COH, and on heating the CO2 is liberated from COH, so this moiety is removed from this molecule and we get the target molecule, which is started for the from the disconnection approach here. So we can easily be synthesize our target molecule which is disconnected here, and this reaction is called Michael addition. Now the special feature of the reaction is that the enamines are specific in all equivalent used in the Michael reaction. Here this is the cyclohexanone, and the reaction with this amine we get here the lone pair of electrons present at this nitrogen atom, and the electron displacement of this pi electron towards the oxygen atom. So this carbon becomes positively charged and this oxygen becomes negatively charged. This positively positively charged carbon atom form bond with this nitrogen atom which contain the lone pair of the electron. So a covalent bond is prepared between nitrogen and the carbon, and O gets the negatively charged. Here the O gets the negative charge, and the nitrogen and carbon bond is formed here. The nitrogen has a positive charge because it donates their lone pair of electron to this carbon atom. So this type of the molecule is prepared here. At the same time, after some time, the H is removed from this nitrogen atom as a proton and attached to this O minus. So OH is formed here. OH and H liberated as minus H2A from the molecule, and a double bond is created between this carbon and this carbon atom due to liberation of the water molecule. So here covalent bond is formed and the double bond is formed here. So we can say the enamines are formed here, and the reaction of this enamine with acrylic ester, here the electron delocalization is further takes place. Here the lone pair of electron present at nitrogen atom goes to this carbon atom and form a covalent bond to here, and this carbon and carbon bond double bond pi electron is displaced to this carbon atom. So this carbon becomes negatively charged and the double bond is created here. This negatively charged carbon atom react with this positively charged carbon atom due to the displacement of the pi electron from this carbon to this carbon, and so a double bond is prepared or formed between this carbon and this carbon atom, and the electron delocalization of pi electrons from this carbon to this oxygen atom due to the more electronegativity of this oxygen atom. So O becomes negatively charged. So the here O becomes negatively charged, this bond shifted to this carbon atom, and this carbon atom becomes positively charged. Here this is negative and this is positive, form a covalent bond. So another molecule of this type is prepared here. This bond is formed by this negative and this positive charge carbon atom. So this compound can also be here represented by this compound, and on hydrolysis this compound is converted into this compound. So the enamines are specific enol equivalent used in the Michael reaction. Mannich base also used as in place of vinyl ketone equivalent. For example, the retrosynthesis analysis of this type of the compound, when we take the disconnection approach or we retrosynthesize this compound, the 1,5 difunctionalized compound is this, and the two functional group, one here the C double bond O and one here the C double bond O. So we say here the 1,5 diCO, and the disconnection takes place between 3 and 4 carbon atom, and we get two synthetic equivalent here. The first one is this one and second one is this one. Here in the first one, the hydrogen here from the removed from the molecule and as a proton, so give their electron to this carbon atom. So this carbon atom becomes negatively charged. So this carbon atom negatively charged and form a bond with this carbon atom which is the positively charged, and we get the synthetic equivalent of this type. And this is the synthetic equivalent, and the another synthon which is the negative synthon are there, CH minus COO ET COO ET, and for by adding the proton to this synthetic synthon we get the CH2 COET which is the diethyl malonate. And the compound formed, or we can say the synthetic equivalent formed by the 1,5 di-CO disconnection, we get this synthetic equivalent, and on further disconnection of this synthetic equivalent from here, we get two compounds, one which is the this cyclohexanone and another is the formaldehyde. This cyclohexanone is the Mannich base, and it is used as a in place of vinyl ketone equivalent during the Mannich reaction. So we can say this compound is the Mannich base. Now the synthesis of our target molecule, this one which is disconnected here, synthesized from the Mannich base. Here this is the starting material, or we can say the synthetic equivalent or smallest unit for the synthesis, cyclohexanone. The reaction with Me2NH dimethylamine and formaldehyde, we get the alkylated Mannich base. This is the alkylated Mannich base, which on reaction with methyl iodide, the trimethylated compound at nitrogen atom is obtained here, which on reaction with another molecule which is obtained by the disconnection of the target molecule diethyl malonate. The reaction of this moiety with diethyl malonate in presence of ethoxide, we get our target molecule here. So we can easily be synthesize the target molecule by the use of Mannich base in place of vinyl ketone directly used. Thank you.